Hey, Hayden Dingman here for PC World. We are still at E3 2018. We are here in the Microsoft showcase. They're here in the Microsoft Theater this year. They're not on the show floor. A bit of a nightmare, but we did get our hands on the Xbox Adaptive Controller. They unveiled this, I think, about 2 weeks ago. It's for primarily people with disabilities. This is a $99 piece of hardware. It plugs into all sorts of third-party peripherals that are already in use in that community. All of these use a 3.5 millimeter standard, which is already standard in the people with disabilities community. Plugs in really easy. There's no way to screw it up. They have these nice grooves on the back, so that plug-in process, you can kind of just slide it in there. We did a lengthy demo with them behind closed doors. They showed off the button remapping capabilities. They're doing a lot of interesting stuff in software. They already released Copilot, I think at the end of last year. That allows you to use two controllers at the same time. At the time, that was pitched as sort of a, you and your child, maybe your child doesn't really know how to play video games very well, so you can actually use your controller with them and sort of make sure that they can do what they need to do. But now that actually plays into the Xbox Adaptive Controller. You can use a gamepad with this, so maybe you just can't hit the face buttons very easily. You now have these two large buttons that you can hit here. And they made sure to tell us that you can hit them on any part of the controller, so you can actually like rock back and forth here. You can hit the edges. There's a lot of stuff that you can do with this. They have a whole range of peripherals sitting here. They demoed to us. We actually played Minecraft with a foot pedal and it was sort of like a Wii nunchuck. I think PDP makes that particular product, but we also have a Logitech joystick here. We have a whole range of buttons, some of them soft, some of them hard. This is the only part Microsoft is making. That's the important part. It is, as I said, a $100 piece of hardware that is essentially the core of this. They're basically making it so this has a 30-hour battery inside of it. It has Bluetooth capability. It'll also connect straight through the Windows 10 adapter or straight to your Xbox. So basically the first party part of this will work seamlessly with whatever else you needed. Before, you would have had to buy your own costly rig to hook all those buttons together or find some way to like hot wire a controller, take it all apart, solder it. Now you just need to buy one of these, hook everything into it. I think it's a pretty amazing product. Clearly a lot of thought has gone into it, and yeah, it's been cool to like see it in action. I play fine on gamepad, but they also have talked about you could use this with your feet and stand on it, and I'm kind of tempted to just get one and map some buttons to my feet because they're unused while I'm playing on a gamepad. So, but yeah, the Xbox Adaptive Controller, it is available for pre-order now, I think, $100, and yeah, pretty cool of Microsoft to do this.